Hi, I'm Matt from Locators, and this is the Kärcher B50. This machine can be fitted with a roller head of 55 centimetres or a disc head of 51 centimetres. It has a 50 litre waste tank and a 50 litre freshwater tank. Traction drive on the machine controlled with the paddles up here, and you have a nice and easy to remove suction bar on the back. So easy toolless access to your brushes over here. These can then be removed for cleaning. You also have access to your waste debris tray sat behind the brushes. So to lift the body like this, you now have access to your battery bay and your onboard machine charger. So again, easy access for removal of the suction bar and storage on the back of the machine just there. So on here we have our control paddles for forwards and backwards. We then have the easy dial for machine functions, and above that we have the LED display showing battery and water level.